The kitchen was abuzz with the warm aroma of sizzling crepes, as Elisa and Paul eagerly awaited the opportunity to assist in the culinary creation. Ruben, the master chef, stood at the helm, his eyes twinkling with excitement as he began to guide the pair through the intricacies of the recipe. "All right, we're going to make some crepes and get them flipping," Ruben exclaimed, his French accent infusing the air with a hint of sophistication. "Who's ready to take on this challenge?" Elisa and Paul exchanged a glance, and without hesitation, they nodded in unison, their faces set with determination. As they poured the batter onto the sizzling hot pan, the room was filled with the sweet scent of freshly cooked crepes. Ruben expertly flipped the delicate pancakes, his hands moving with the precision of a seasoned pro. "The hardest part is flipping them, of course," he chuckled, winking at his assistants. "But don't worry, with a little practice, you two will be flipping like pros in no time." With the crepes cooked to perfection, Ruben turned his attention to the pièce de résistance, the caramel. A sizzling hot casserole was placed on the stovetop, and with a sprinkle of water, the mixture began to simmer and bubble. "Now, we're going to add our sugar and let it caramelize," Ruben instructed, his eyes gleaming with anticipation. As the caramel turned a deep, rich brown, the air was filled with the sweet, sticky aroma of success. "This is going to give our ice cream a beautiful, marbled effect," Ruben explained, his enthusiasm infectious. "And the best part is, we can add as much caramel as we like without worrying about it being too sweet or overpowering." With the caramel perfectly cooked, Ruben turned off the heat and let it cool, the anticipation building in the air. "And now, we get to combine our creations and create a truly unique and delicious ice cream," he said, his voice dripping with excitement. As the camera panned out, the kitchen was bathed in a warm, golden light, the aroma of caramel and crepes wafting through the air, inviting the viewer to join the culinary adventure. And with that, the recipe was complete, a true masterpiece of French patisserie.